Alright, so this is an install video for one of my battery cases. It's for the Dewalt 20 volt 5 amp hour. They'll come shipped together like this. There'll be 2 screws on each side. You just take those screws out. There they are. Slides in like this. And just put that on like that, and they take a hex or Allen wrench, whatever you prefer. It's 2.5 millimeter, and hopefully this comes out good on camera. I got an electric screwdriver just because I'm lazy. So you just want to loosely tighten it to start. Just make sure both screws get started in the threads, alright? And I'm an automotive tech, and I'm just used to, you start all the bolts first and then just make sure everything lines up and then you put it together. But yep, that's it. That's all there is to it. And there, it's on there.